Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Fly More Combo, an impressive piece of technology that truly stands out in the world of compact drones. If you're interested in this product, we've included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a state-of-the-art drone that's designed to cater to content creators, photographers, and flying enthusiasts alike. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, this ultra-portable drone is not only palm-sized but also foldable, making it incredibly easy to pack up and take on your adventures. This combination of compact size and high-quality performance sets a new standard for travel-ready drones. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its pro-level imaging capability. With a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and incredible 50MP still photos. This drone excels in delivering vibrant 10-bit color depth, making it particularly appealing for professional content creators who demand high-quality footage. The f/1.8 wide lens ensures that your images maintain clarity and detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Safety is also a top priority with the Mini 5 Pro. It comes equipped with an omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, utilizing advanced vision sensors and front-facing LiDAR technology. This feature enhances safety while flying in complex environments and provides precise return-to-home functionality. For those interested in action sports or dynamic filming, the upgraded ActiveTrack 360 degrees allows for stable and customizable subject tracking, making it perfect for capturing exciting moments. This drone is not only ideal for professionals but also for hobbyists and travelers who need a reliable and high-quality camera on the go. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes during a hiking trip or shooting vibrant footage of a beach party, all with the convenience of a compact drone.